I've got two amazing products that will keep you cool, comfortable, and ready to enjoy the best of summer without breaking the bank. So here's the first solution and the most affordable option: the cooling towel. This towel is not like any other towel. When I tell you this thing keeps your body cool, the only thing you have to do is pour water on it and squeeze it out, and it's activated. The technology behind it activates the fibers on that towel, and once you place it on your skin, you immediately feel a cool relief. I've tried it, and when I tell you that towel was so refreshing, and not to mention it lasts for hours, and it's reusable. So that means that once the coolness wears off on that towel, you just pour a little water on it, squeeze it out, and it's reactivated. So you can use it over and over and over and over. You can put it on your neck, wrap it around like a scarf, put it on your forehead, tie it on your head like a bandana. I mean, you can put it anywhere. This cooling towel is a summer essential. It instantly cools down your skin and keeps you refreshed for hours. Whether you're at the beach, park, the gym, or just running errands, this towel is your go-to companion. But wait, here's another must-have gadget that I see so many people walking around with today. It's called a neck fan. Imagine it being like having a personal breeze wherever you go. So just turn it on, pop it around your neck, and feel the cool air instantly. So not only does your face feel the cool breeze from your neck fan, but your neck will also. Plus, you can adjust the speed. So if you don't want a lot of air on you at any point, you can change the speeds from lower to higher. And the best part is hands-free and rechargeable. And did you know the battery on those fans can actually last you for hours while you're outside fighting with the heat? From working out to hanging out, this neck fan is a lifesaver. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and the cool breeze keeps you feeling refreshed and energized no matter how hot it gets. So whether you're hitting the trails, spending the day at the park, or even just chilling in your backyard, these two gadgets will keep you cool, comfortable, and refreshed. So before you step outside in the scorching sun, make sure you're prepared. Click the link below to grab your cooling towel and neck fan today.